it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Hope everybody is doing well po, and as well as your family. Yeah, so anyway guys, for my today's vlog, I just wanted to have a quick sharing with regards to my menu, which is the stir-fried bean sprout, yeah, with some mixed veggies here or vegetables. So I have here of course the meat means, which is pork, or you can use either slice beef or slice pork as well, or chicken. Yeah, it's up to you, or it depends to you. Yeah, but for me, I prefer the meat means. Okay, so I have here the bean sprout, which is also famous here, and of course my onion, my fresh garlic, and ginger, of course. And for my seasons, I have the salt, the black pepper, and the I'll be adding a soy sauce, which is I love so much when it comes to stir fry the vegetables. Yeah, and of course I have here some veggies, a sliced one, which are the following: the button mushrooms, the carrots, of course, and the bell peppers, which are the green and the red. And of course, I have here the baby corn. Yeah, my kids love this baby corn. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed watching, and please stay tuned. And once again, thanks for watching. Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome back. So I'm heating the pan already, and time for me to add a bit oil. This recipe is very quick and simple, of course. Yeah, just everything is stir, yes, or saute, something like that. Yeah, so of course, time to add now the onion, as always I am doing. Yes, so that it will not burn. Easy like the garlic. Yeah, so there you go. Saute until it's light brown or crystal in color. Yeah, it depends to you guys. Yeah, so onion is getting okay, it's crystal in color, and time for me to add the chopped garlic. I like many garlics. Yeah, so there you go. And next is the ginger. Yes, the sliced one. So saute it again until the garlic is okay. Yes, yeah, and after that, it's time for me to add now the meat mince. Okay, I prefer only to have a small meat mince here. Yeah, so saute it until the meat is getting okay. So let us cover. Yeah, like for 3 minutes. Yes, please stay tuned. So let's check, guys. Okay, the meat is getting okay or better. So it's time for me already to put this all vegetables. Yeah, just saute them. I'll put this later because this is easy to cook. Yes, the bell pepper. So there you go. Just saute this. Like 3 minutes, yeah. Time for me to add the black pepper. And salt, of course. Just a bit because we're putting oyster sauce. And oyster sauce is already quite salty, yeah. So just a bit salt. There we go. I love this kind of sauce, yeah. I used to buy it in Asian shop. There you go. Just stir a bit. I'm happy because my husband liked this as well. And boil it for, or simmer it like for 3 minutes, yeah. It's time for me now to add a bit water, warm water. Okay. So that the vegetable will cook. Cover. Simmer for 3 minutes, okay? Until the vegetables are doing fine. Okay, let's check. There you go. I don't like also an overcooked vegetables, so it's really nice to have a crunchy vegetables. Yeah, and for me now, I need to check the taste of it. Okay, and now it's time for me to add the beans sprout. Okay. This is very yummy, crunchy. There you go. Actually, I like this bean sprout when it comes to spring rolls, yeah, vegetable spring rolls. I used to buy this when I was in Manila, the spring rolls, which is in toge, yeah, or bean sprout. I love this so much. There you go, just here. Oops. Yeah. And finally, I will add this because it's just easy to cook because they're already soft. See, colorful. And for my final red chili, yes, so that it's a bit what is it? Spicy. Because my husband love spicy foods. Yeah. So let it simmer again like 3 minutes until the vegetables or the bean sprouts are okay. Yeah. Just a second. There you go. So welcome back. Let's check. And there you go. It's finally done, yeah. So there you see. There is a bit sauce, yeah. And it's like 3 minutes of simmering, yes. And it's finally done. So I'll show you how I prepare it in my serving bowl, okay? Please stay tuned. Thanks for watching. So finally guys, this is already the finished product of my Beansprouts recipe. Yeah, a simple and quick stir fried vegetables. Yeah, so there you go, how it looks like. So hope you guys enjoyed watching my another vegetable recipe for today. Yeah, so hope if you are still new with my channel, you can click the like and subscribe button, and also please hit the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come. Okay, so on top I garnish it with fresh coriander, yeah, leaves. Yeah, so there you go. Once again, thanks for watching and have a nice day, guys, and God bless you all, and I love you guys. It's time for me now to say bye for now.